So everybody, I had some comments before. People were saying, can we see these trying the food that you make and do a taste test on it? So I'm going to do a taste test. First, let's do the steak, the grilled New York strip right here. Melts in your mouth. Only thing I use is salt and pepper on it. So good, so good. Now this one is the Fossetti pasta. Hope I'm saying it right. But it's cheese filled from Trader Joe's. Let's try this bad boy out. I like that. Huge fan of it. Great texture. Love the cheese filling inside of it. That's a banger right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.